If you are a busy professional interested in investing in real estate but find yourself lacking ample time, I highly recommend. Hi there, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving deep into a question that one of my students recently asked me. Can you really earn passive income from a rental property? And is it truly passive? Especially if you already have a full-time career. Well, let me tell you, these are fantastic questions that deserve some in-depth explorations. In short answer, yes, absolutely. But before we jump right into it, if you haven't already, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell too, so you won't miss any of our valuable content. I'm here to help you navigate the exciting world of real estate investing and achieve your financial goals. My name is Korianne, and I'm excited to share more of my real estate investment journey with you. So in this video, I will share my journey of transitioning from active property acquisitions to passive income generations. We will discuss the key steps involved, including finding dependable property managers, leveraging their expertise, and establishing systems that work for you. It is all about building a well-oiled machine that generates income while you focus on your career and other passions. There are two most important steps involved in building passive income from your cash flow rental property. Step number one is invest in a right real estate property. It is obviously very important that you buy the right property. Setting up your property manager for success once you put the property in the rental market. You have learned from a number of my videos in this channel on how to buy a cash flow asset. If you have not watching them, I put the link on the right hand corner for you to watch these videos. As you do your property due diligence, make sure you factor in the property management fee to your overall return on investment calculations. After you purchase the right property and do your ROI calculation, factoring all the costs, include the property management fee, the next important step is to manage your local property manager. That is step number two. Manage local property manager. I use a professional property manager from the very beginning, including my first rental and all other properties I have ever owned and invested. The reason behind my decision became clear when I experienced the hassle of the tenants reaching out for minor issues, like the high-tech couples in my first rental who called for the light bulbs. It made me realize that I didn't enjoy this task, and I would rather spend my time running a mortgage company I had at the time. Hence, I make the choice to entrust my properties to a skilled property managers. Throughout my journey, I have gained valuable insight on selecting the right property manager. This step will help you find the perfect match to handle the daily operation of your real estate assets. Here is the guide to help you in the process. Define your property management requirements. Determine what specific service you require from a property manager. Consider factors like rent collections, maintenance and repairs, tenant screenings and lease enforcement, accounting and reporting, and the property inspections. Seek recommendation and referrals. Ask a friend, family, college, or local professionals for recommendation based on their experience with a property manager in your area. Personal referral can provide valuable insights and help you narrow down your options. I like to ask for a referral from another power team that I form, like a real estate attorney and a real estate agent. Research local property management company. Conduct an online research to identify property management company operating in your local area. Look for companies that have experience managing property like yours and have a good reputation. Visit their website, read client testimonials, and check online review to assess their track record and customer satisfactions. Interview potential property managers. Contact the property management company that align with your needs and arrange interview or consultations. Prepare a list of questions to ask, covering areas such as their experience, qualification, fees, services provided, tenant screening process, maintenance protocol, and how they handle emergencies. Verify licenses and credentials. Ask the property management company for their license, certifications, and affiliations. Property managers may need specific license or certification depending on their location. Check if they belong to professional organizations such as the National Association of Residential Property Managers or a local real estate associations. Assess communication and responsiveness. Effective communication is crucial when working with a property manager. Evaluate their responsiveness and willingness to answer your questions during the interview process. Prompt and clear communication is essential for resolving issues and keeping you informed about your property's status. Request references. Ask for references from a current or previous clients. Contact these references to gather feedback about their experience working with a property management company. Ask for their overall satisfaction, communication, rent collection, maintenance, and any issue they encounter. Call at least 3 references to check on their reputation and credentials. Review the management agreement. Obtain a copy of management agreement or contract and carefully review its terms and conditions. Pay attention to fee termination clause, maintenance procedure, financial reporting, and any specific requirements or responsibilities outlined in the agreement. Conduct a property visit. If possible, visit property managed by the company to evaluate their conditions and overall management practice. This can give you a first-hand look at how well the property manager maintains and care for their clients' properties. Make the final decision. Consider all the information you have gathered and weigh the pros and cons of each property management company. Choose the one that best aligns with your needs, offer competitive pricing, has a solid reputation for providing excellent service. Now, of course, it's important to choose the right property manager who aligns with your needs and goals. Take your time to research, interview, and review their references. With the right property manager by your side, you can enjoy the benefits of passive income while pursuing your full-time career or other passions. Here are the 4 main benefits of using a property managers. Benefit number 1, time freedom. The first major advantage of hiring a property manager is the time freedom it provides you. With a professional taking care of your tenant screening, rent collection, maintenance requests, and other property-related tasks, you can focus on your primary job, spend time with your family, and even explore new opportunities. It allows you to enjoy the benefits of passive income without stress of day-to-day management. Benefit number 2, expertise and local knowledge. Another significant benefit is the expertise and local knowledge that a property manager brings to the table. They have experience in managing rental properties, dealing with tenants, and understand the local dynamics. Their expertise help ensure your property operates smoothly, attract qualified tenants, and maintain optimal rental rate, ultimately maximizing your cash flow. Number 3, tenants management. One of the most time-consuming aspects of property management is dealing with tenants. But with a property manager, you can rest easy. They handle tenant screening, lease agreement, rent collections, and even address tenant concern and disputes. They act as a buffer between you and the tenants, handling all the communication and ensuring a professional landlord-tenant relationship. The benefit number 4 is maintenance and repairs. Maintenance and repair are inevitable in any rental properties. However, with a property manager, you don't have to worry about emergency calls or coordinating repairs. They have a network of trusted contractors and service providers who can handle everything efficiently. Your property manager will oversee the maintenance work, ensuring your property is well maintained and minimizing potential issues. Benefit number 5, financial management Lastly, a property manager takes care of the financial management aspect of your rental property. They handle rent collections, maintain financial records, and provide you with the regular reports, making it easier for you to track your property performance. They ensure timely rent payments, manage certain expenses, and even help with the budgeting and forecasting, giving you a clear overview of your cash flow. As a busy mom with a desire to invest in real estate like myself, I understand the challenges of the limited time. That is why I attribute my real estate success to the invaluable support of exceptional local property managers. With their assistance, I have been able to effectively manage my real estate properties across 5 different locations. During the first 10 years of my real estate journey, I faced the additional responsibility of running my own company, all the while raising 2 boys who blissfully enter my life. However, thanks to these remarkable property managers, I was able to achieve an impressive portfolio of 45 projects. Their expertise and dedication give me back the time I needed to focus on what I excel at, making smart real estate investments. Not only did I have the freedom to pursue the right real estate projects, but I also had the previous opportunity to prioritize raising my sons during their informative years. It's perfectly balanced that allowed me to thrive both as an investor as well as loving and tentative mom. If you are a busy professional interested in investing in real estate, but find yourself lacking ample time, I highly recommend considering the support of exceptional property managers. They can grant you the freedom to pursue your real estate goals while ensuring you have the quality time to spend with your children, your career, or both, like me. Thank you so much for joining me today. And if you find this video helpful, give it a thumb up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more valuable content on real estate, investing, and financial independence. As always, if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below, please. Until next time, take care and happy investing. Let's learn, invest, and make an impact. Ciao!